Look, Charlie. Fucking dogs. Ate my fucking chickens. He ate the fucking one. Nah. Fucking dogs got me, though. They fucking got me. God damn. Man.